Mustang coupe. All right, we got it. Hang on, look, we got numbers. All right, it's actually not a picture, it's a video. All right, so I'm sitting there and I'm going to Zane's, of course. It's down out here in Woodstown, and I'm looking at buying another shirt. Can't help myself. I'll try to probably some cowboy boots. And I saw this guy. What's your name?
Mark.
Mark, and your
Ruth.
Ruth?
Yes.
His girlfriend?
No, that's my wife.
Oh, his wife. Very good job. Well, guess what he has, guys. You know, first let's tease him. Well, how long have you owned this Mustang?
Since August?
August?
No, October.
October
Of 2018.
How many miles you got on it?
260
260 what?
miles.
260 miles?
Yeah, it's it. Yeah.
What are you doing? Is it a collector's car for you?
No,
What is he driving?
The weather's like shitty, you know? Who wants to drive it in the salt, you know?
All right, you're going to understand in a second why he's not driving it very much. Take a look at this car that's out here in South Jersey where the weather isn't very nice. And we just saw one at the Philadelphia Auto Show.
Auto Show, yes.
I was there.
I was there.
As well I.
Yes.
And look what he's got. It's his. Good. Introduce your car.
This is my baby.
He's got a Bullitt, guys.
Yeah.
I saw his car, and I was like, oh, I said, Mom, that's a Bullitt. And she goes, what's a Bullitt? I'm like, don't worry about it. And then he pulled up to the same store as me, so I had to immediately do a quick video on a 2018 Bullitt, right?
2019.
2019?
Yes.
With how many miles again?
260 miles on it.
And he knew exactly how many miles he had when I asked him. That's hilarious. 260 miles. This is the Brembos.
Yeah. It's got car seats in it.
Oh, we're getting. Oh, yeah. Look at that, man. That's a luxury seat. Wow. Is this the same setup that we saw?
Yeah.
That was the same setup at the show?
These seats are optional.
Oh, are they nice? Nice.
Yeah, you can get the factory seats that are heated and cooled.
How much extra is those seats?
I think the seats are like $1,300 extra.
Yeah, that's worth it. I mean, look at that, guys.
Stereo. It's 12 speakers.
Wow. Look at the shifter, too. That's awesome.
Yeah.
We didn't get inside in the car. They didn't have anybody letting us in the car, so I appreciate you showing us this Bullitt.
No problem.
So there it is, guys. A Bullitt. Nice. Really nice. Thank you.
No problem. Love it.
There's Mustang fans everywhere, even in Jersey.
Then we can put that on YouTube?
Yeah, I'll be posting it today on MustangMedic. You'll see it. Just look up YouTube MustangMedic channel.
Yeah.
And you'll see yourself with this video.
We take the frustration out of restoration.